Pick up pop Molly in the party, bad bitch. Cardi in the boom, y'all make them chop top like Pilates. I ain't never give a fuck. I was in the car with a bitch, to coma.
Hey guys, welcome back. Today is part 2 of building the Integra, and we got some good stuff today. As I had showed you guys in the last video, one of the main flaws is this bumper right here. So that's pretty fucked. So we have our replacement bumper right here, gas, and I thought while we're at it, let's replace the headlights with some nice chrome halos and some clear turn signals. So that's what we're going to be doing today, and let's not waste any more time and let's get started. The old bumper. No more hole. Yay! Now let's remove the headlights. Now it comes out. Yeah. This clip is broken, but we still gotta take that screw out. Just gotta unplug it again. And we've got the second one out. Now it's time for the new headlights, because you're gonna look gas. Now we just gotta splice and solder some wires for the halos, and we'll be good to go. Solder, wire, the halos. Gas. On to the next side. Honestly, really like soldering. Sounds good. Anyway, I'm going to be doing this for a minute. You can't really see it. And the headlights are in. And we have successfully wired both the headlights. The halos are in. They're looking gas. So for what you need to wire for this, you're going to be wiring these red and black wires, which are for the halos, to your running light down here. Red goes to green and black goes to black, obviously. And then I am doing the 98 2001 headlight and bumper conversion, so I also had to solder these ones together because this clip did not fit in the 94 through 97 clip. But if you get headlights for your year, it'll go right in. But I want it to be different, so if you also like being different, that is how you do that part. So we just got to screw this in, and then we're on to the bumper. First, we got to get the new turn signals on the bumper. So we had to do some makeshift shit on this side because, I don't know, there was nothing else to screw in besides this over here, but this works and now it's very sturdy. So, dub, onto the other side. Alright, the turn signals are on. Time to get it on the car. This piece back on. The halos are on the Teggy, the new bumper. No more bumper with a hole in it. Gas. They look fire. The new bumper looks fire. The Integra build is slowly but surely coming along. Gas. So today we're going to be installing this Mugen style lip and this Mugen style wing. So it's gonna look fire. So let's get to work. Alright, we are going to be doing the wing first. Luckily it came with these little things which will help us get it lined up on the back. So let's get these in, let's get it lined up, and let's drill some holes, and it's as simple as that. That one threw hella easy. Fuck, I fucked that one up. I fucked both these up, what the hell? Oh, I didn't. We're solid. Alright, moment of truth. Please, bitch. Please line up. Fuck, can't see shit in there. Oh. Those holes line up pretty much. Oh, hell yeah. Dude, I'm cracked at Fortnite. So the bolts are lined up. But, I hear a bike. I'm pretty sure it's my homie James. You might remember James. He had that Gixxer that I rode with the night before my bike got stolen. Yeah, I think he's pulling up. He said he's pulling up. Let's see. That has to be him. Only James is that obnoxious. I think I heard him go to the back roads, so we can resume. He'll be here soon to help with the lip. Little Fortnite. This Gixxer looks so much better than the last one too. Gas. Oh my god. The wing is on, looking fire. Time to put on the front lip. And a while later, all the parts for the Teggy are on. We got the 98 through 01 bumper conversion, the new Halo headlights, the Mugen front lip. Here we got the Mugen spot style spoiler, which also looks fire. So yeah, so far I'm really happy with the progress of the Teggy. It is looking fire. Definitely got a lot left, but it's definitely already come a long way. All we really need, some wrap, wheels, maybe a little more, clear taillights. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video and want to see more of the Teggy build, make sure to subscribe for more. There's a lot more to come. And also, some more bike content coming soon. As you can see, the R6 is not looking right. So yeah, I had this whole side fairing fly off the other day when I tried riding with James. So the bike's out of commission for the moment, but I already have new ones ordered, and they're better than just the normal black ones. Wink wink. So those will be installed soon. I have some more mods for the bike coming soon, and some more riding content, so make sure if you like that kind of stuff, follow along for that. And yeah, that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed. See ya.
Then I get my head, then I get my closure. There bullets in his head, shouldn't have been a poser. Yeah.